Welcome to this lovely decorated 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in popular Westfield, Indiana. Great spaces throughout. In a wooded area, on 1/2 acre, fenced-in backyard, and priced to sell quickly.
This lovely ranch home is in what seems to be a very rural area, yet is close to shops, eateries, parks, fun events in Carmel and Westfield, Indiana. Two of the best cities to live in America.
Step out of the family room with fireplace and onto the new deck. Built in 2020. Overlooking the backyard with surrounding fence and mature trees too. You'll love entertaining or relaxing here.
The main living area is open and has great use of space. Family room opens to the kitchen and dining area. Ceiling fan, deluxe lighting and more can be enjoyed here, too. The kitchen is well laid out, and it has great lighting and is only steps from a convenient pantry and laundry area. Grab a stool and have a snack or sandwich. Or step outside the glass doors to the deck to relax with a refreshing drink. This home is well laid out with great use of all the space. The master bedroom is quiet and has its own master bath within. Designer-style ceiling fan and light. Plus 2 other bedrooms and another full bath add to the charm of this great home. A convenient video room or den can easily be used as a large office, too. Or convert it to a 4th bedroom. Lots of natural light helps make this room flexible and convenient. The convenient laundry area has great cabinet space. Easy access to kitchen or garage, too. All the rooms in this home are nicely decorated. No hoa and convenient location make this a terrific buy in Westfield. Don't miss out. Call Alan Schultz, Realtor, for more info. 317 698 9816